Okay, we're good to go.
So Mr. Bruckner is not available?
No, he's not available. So, sir.
All right, good morning, sir. Thank you for your patience. Can I get your full name, please?
Full name.
Johnny Donato Acosta.
Thank you, Mr. Acosta. This is the time set for your initial appearance. I'm seeing you on several different matters today. You have a post-indictment matter from Pima County Superior Court, CR 2026-0518. The charges are for fraudulent schemes and artifices, theft, and forgery, multiple counts. Alleged offense dates are from March to May of 2025. Also seeing you for Tucson City Court for misdemeanor charges of disorderly conduct and disorderly conduct domestic violence. Those are two new misdemeanor charges from March of 2026. And finally, also seeing you out of it's a Pinal County Justice Court warrant for violation of a court order. Looks like a failure to appear as well. So there's three separate matters: Tucson City felony charges locally, as well as an out-of-county matter. All right, so you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to hire your own attorney. In certain instances, if you cannot afford an attorney, one may be appointed for you. For CR 2026-0518, I'm going to appoint the Pima County Public Defender's Office to represent you. Then you have counsel seated next to you for purpose of today. We're going to be talking about your release conditions, sir. I have reviewed the pretrial services report. I have reviewed the post-indictment warrant for arrest. The state's written recommendation is $10,000. Mr. Moser, would the state like to be heard further?
Just on the information surrounding the warrant, Judge Monroe issued this warrant for $10,000 because he failed to appear for arraignment. This was a refiled case. He was originally released to the pretrial services. A summons in this case was sent to an address of South Bronco Drive. However, his driver's license and defendant himself indicate his address is on North Oracle Road. And I think the driver's license was updated prior to the summons being sent.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Michael?
Yes, I think he's anticipated some of what my argument was going to be, is that is the defense indicated that he has proof that his mail is being rerouted, and because of the refile, the dismiss and refile, it's just a bit of a confusing posture. Because it's level 1 nonviolent, we would be pursuing PTS release. I think he gets the message, and he's properly incentivized if we release the PTS on this one.
All right, thank you. All right, as to the felony matter, the court is going to release Mr. Acosta to pretrial services. No drugs, no alcohol, no weapons. Any monitoring or treatment is directed by pretrial services. So you have to keep in contact with them as frequently as they tell you to. If you do not, your release conditions can be modified or revoked. Do not return to any incident location. No contact with any alleged victims, which I believe are businesses. There's a Dosi LLC, Heroes Express, Almadura Construction. Your next court date for this matter, sir, is April 24th at 1:30 p.m. and that'll be at the Superior Court on the 3rd floor downtown. If you fail to appear for that date, sir, another warrant will issue for your arrest. As to the Tucson City Court case matter, that one I'm also going to release on your own promise to appear for your next court date. not commit any acts of domestic violence, no contact with the alleged victim, Gloria Perez. Do not return to her residence. If you have any property at that residence, you may return with law enforcement escort only to retrieve those belongings. Next court date for that is May 18th at 9:30 a.m. at the Tucson City Court. That's also the time set for your arraignment on this matter. I'm going to enter not guilty pleas on your behalf. If you fail to appear for court, warrant can issue for your arrest. If you are convicted at a trial in your absence and not able to be sentenced within 90 days due to warrant status, you may lose your right to a direct appeal. So it's in your best interest, sir, to keep in contact with the courts and make sure you show up to all proceedings. I'm going to appoint you an attorney, the Tucson City Public Defender's Office, or Tucson City Public Defenders on the Tucson City Court case.